everybody, it's Jen from Marvelous Mouse Travels, and I'm here with another cooking demonstration for you today. We have been having so many sweet treats and they have been delicious, but tonight I'm going to show you how to make a grilled cheese sandwich. So what's so special about a grilled cheese sandwich? Well, this is the absolute best grilled cheese sandwich. It is extremely popular. It's served at Woody's Lunchbox at Hollywood Studios, and it is a 3-cheese sandwich. So we are going to get started. Here are the ingredients that you will need. You will need 1 cup of mayonnaise. You will need 8 slices each of cheddar cheese and provolone cheese. You will need half a cup of cream cheese, a teaspoon and a half of minced garlic. You'll need 3/4 of a teaspoon of coarse salt, and you will need some heavy whipping cream and some shredded cheddar cheese. Also, of course, you'll need some bread to put it on. This says to use artisan bread. That means you could choose whatever bread sounds good to you. For me, I am just using premium Italian bread. So we're gonna get started. We're going to start with the cream cheese spread ingredients. You're going to create your spread, and you will take a half a cup of cream cheese, 2 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream, oops, a little more than 2 tablespoons, and a 1/4 teaspoon of your salt, and half a cup of shredded cheese. Now I'm using cheddar, which the recipe says you can use. You also have the option of using Gloucester cheese, but with being on a lockdown, I didn't really have the option to go out and find that. So I stuck with the cheddar cheese. I think it's still gonna be really delicious. I also wanted to mention, this is another one of those very family-friendly recipes that you could absolutely get your kids to help with. Once you have those ingredients, you're going to go ahead and just get a hand mixer and blend those together. Once you have your cream cheese spread blended, you will set that aside and get started on your garlic spread. So that is our 1 cup of mayonnaise, your garlic, and the rest of the salt that you had. And that you will just stir by hand until it's well blended. So now you're ready to make your grilled cheese sandwiches. The first thing you'll want to do is lay out 8 pieces of bread. And then you're going to take 4 slices of cheddar cheese and put that on 4 slices of bread. Then on the remaining 4 slices, you will place your provolone on there. Then you're going to take your cream cheese spread and spread it evenly on the provolone side of the bread. Once you have your cream cheese spread, you're going to put the 2 sides of the sandwich together, and then you are going to grill those in a skillet over medium heat for 5 minutes. So we're ready to grill our grilled cheese sandwiches. You will want to put your garlic spread on both sides of the sandwich, and then you will grill them for 2 minutes or until the cheese is melted. So our sandwiches were really good. Everybody really liked them. If you try the recipe, please share it on my page. Let me know what you thought of them. I want to say thanks for checking in again. If you are interested in the recipe, I will be posting it at the end of this video. So be sure to watch till the end and try them for yourselves. Thanks, everybody.